We're going to take these wooden beads here and make these cute little bees. Aren't they cute? But of course we're going to color them up in the colors of a bee. And so to do the body, I used these two colors, maize and vintage mustard. Mix them together with just a little bit of water, just in a Cool Whip bowl here so that I could keep it. And I put the bowl, all the beads in, and I just rolled them around until they got good and colored, just like that. And then I just scooped them out and laid them on the wax paper to dry. Hey Max. Hey buddy. And so I just set them out there and let them dry. And I did the same thing with the black. So I had done that with just black, the ink black paint, and got them out there ready to go. Alright, so I did some of that yesterday as well. So let's get some of those that are completed out here and let's give it a try. Just cut me off a piece of it here. Warm me some up. See about how long I'm going to need it. That's plenty long enough right there. Then I'm just going to fold the end here. I'm just going to kind of hold it with my finger and wrap it around. So I'm just trying to mold it against the bead and get it on up here. And when I get it up here to the top like that, I'm just going to twist the two so they'll kind of stay together. And then I'm going to put the little head bead on there. And I will trim them down just a little bit. And then roll that antenna down to make it look like an antenna. Nice and simple. I'm going to be doing several different things with these. I'm actually going to be putting them in my booth in the shop. Probably I'll put a couple of them just like this because I think this would be cute as a button to use in your let's see, I think I want that curl to be used in like your tiered shelves and stuff. Wouldn't that be cute if you had a bee themed tier shelf? I just think that'd be so cute. So, and then I'm going to take some of them and put a skewer on the bottom of them and put them in some flower arrangements because I think that would be cute too. Some of them I may add a little face to just because, you know, why not, right? It's cute as a button. That would be sweet. So I'm going to see if I can plug up my glue gun right quick. Max is laying here on the floor. Hey buddy, it's alright. You can lay there. You can lay there. I was inspired with the YouTube channel Happy Tuesday, and so she had made some similar to this, and I thought that is so cute. And I had a ton of these little beads, so I thought I would give it a try. So let's try gluing one together and just see if that helps hold everything tight here. Oh yeah, that's cute. I like that. So, see if I can get my little ladybug vacuum and see if it'll vacuum this up. Two of my favorite pieces that I work with every day is the silicone mat. Everything washes up from it. All that will wash up no problem. And the ladybug pebble vacuum. They're fantastic. Two of my favorites.